Welcome to our latest update on the North London Heat and Power project. Since our video update in December last year, significant progress has been made to build brand new waste management facilities at Edmonton Eco Park. In this video, you'll hear about a number of our construction sites that have now completed, as well as exciting work happening right now to build a new resource recovery facility and public reuse and recycling centre.
My name is Broman Field and I'm a project manager on the North London Heat and Power project. Construction works on the new Northern Access Road off Deepham's Farm Road completed in December 2020. The new entrance point at the north of the Eco Park was built by Enfield-based contractor Galdra Services to support increased traffic flows as the project is delivered. As well as constructing the new road, significant improvements have been made to the Salmons Brook riverbank by sheet pile walling to improve the riverbank stability. In order for new recycling facilities to be built in the south of the Eco Park, London Energy's southern weighbridges needed to be relocated to allow this construction to begin and to allow London Energy's operations to continue. Galdra Services have constructed 2 new weighbridges at the north of the Eco Park, as well as working with contractor Waitron to upgrade what was already there. This has allowed London Energy to continue their normal operations and enable borough waste trucks to enter and exit the Eco Park safely. Construction on the temporary laydown area and new Eastern Access Road were completed by Buckingham Group in March this year. The laydown area will be used by the project's main contractors to assemble materials before transporting them to the Eco Park. The first contractor to make use of the laydown area and new office and welfare facilities is Taylor Woodrow, who are building the new resource recovery facility and Eco Park House. The development of the former unused site is a critical part of the program to deliver new waste management facilities at the Eco Park. In addition to the laydown area, a new Eastern Access Road and bridge have been constructed to enable access into the Eco Park from the east.
My name is Jacques Denys and I'm the project manager for Barhale, working on the Pseudoversion. Construction works to divert the Thames water sewers, the Angel and Chingford, to make way for the new waste facilities are well underway and progressing well. All 3 shafts have been excavated, and in March the 2 tunnel boring machines, each weighing 15 tonnes, arrived on site to carry out the tunnel boring works. Barhale identified a pioneering engineering technique to complete both tunnel boring works, which involved using 2 Izeki pipe jacking machines from a single shaft at the same time. As well as reducing delivery time, this method also enabled Barhale to reduce waste through tunnel boring machines, reducing water consumption required by up to 80% to complete the works. In the next few months, Barhale will be working closely with Thames Water to control and divert the flows from the existing sewers to allow construction for the permanent structures, which will become the access and maintenance points for Thames Water. Manhole A will become the new convergence point for the newly constructed Angel and Chingford sewers. At Manhole B, Barhale will intercept the existing Chingford sewer, which will enable us to divert the flows into the newly constructed tunnel. And finally, at Manhole C, Barhale will be installing the new connection to an existing Thames Water manhole within Advent Way, which will enable us to divert the flows from the Angel sewer into the newly constructed tunnel that will lead the flows to Manhole A.
My name's Steve Pate and I'm the project manager for Taylor Woodrow working on Eco Park South. In January this year, Taylor Woodrow mobilised at the Eco Park to begin construction of the new resource recovery facility, the public reuse and recycling centre and Eco Park House. So far, we've fenced off the Eco Park South site, we've carried out diversion works on all of the buried services in the area and demolished all buildings and structures required to construct the new waste facilities. We've commenced our ground engineering works with the excavation and removal from site of nearly 2/3 of the existing ground that we have to, and we've started piling foundation works to support the new facilities. Part of our works involves use of an innovative piling technique which helps to reduce both the concrete and reinforcement required to carry out the works. This solution contributes significantly to reducing the embodied carbon of the original scheme by between 10 and 16%. In the next few months there will be significant change on site, including the start of reinforced concrete works for the new building starting and the structural steel frame arriving from the end of June.
My name is Ian Cox. I'm overseeing the Northern Area Clearance site works. The Northern Area Clearance project is in the north of the Eco Park and is required to make room for the new energy recovery facility, which will begin construction in autumn 2022. The project has been divided into 3 phases. These are the demolition of zones 1 and 2 in the northwest and zones 3 and 4 in the northeast. Works commenced on the demolition of zones 1 and 2 in the northwest in March of this year. The appointed contractor, DSM Demolition Limited, have demolished most of the existing buildings and have now commenced demolition of the concrete ground slab. Following this, the existing bulky waste facility in the northeast of the site, which is zones 3 and 4, will be demolished in readiness for the energy recovery facility construction commencing in autumn 2022.
My name is Jaylene and I work in the procurement team for the energy recovery facility. 2021 marks a major milestone in the procurement process for the new energy recovery facility at Edmonton Eco Park. By the end of this year, we expect to have issued a notification of our contract award decision, following a number of stages including detailed tender submissions and a period of dialogue and negotiation, leading to final tender submissions in October 2021. Construction is expected to begin in October 2022. The new energy recovery facility is replacing the existing energy from waste facility, which is reaching the end of its operational life. The new facility keeps North London's non-recyclable waste out of landfill and instead uses it as a valuable resource for society to generate low-carbon heat and power. Through a district heating agreement with Energetic, the North London Heat and Power project will provide low-carbon heating and hot water needs for more than 10,000 homes and businesses across the Meridian Water development.
Thank you for watching our latest update video. As you have seen, there has been a lot of construction progress made to the site. To find out more about the project and stay up to date with the latest news, you can visit our website and follow us on social media. If you have any questions, please get in touch with us by emailing info@northlondonheatandpower.london. Thank you for watching our latest update.